This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. The engine oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine and the dipstick at the front. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the oil level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. If the oil level is okay, reinsert the dipstick. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimize spillage, add the correct grade of oil a little at a time and recheck the level. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be up to the maximum mark on the side of the expansion tank. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir, then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Ensure the engine is turned off and the wheels are in the straight ahead position. Clean the area around the top of the reservoir. Unscrew the filler cap. Clean the integral dipstick, then screw the cap back into place. Remove the cap again and examine the fluid level. Note that the dipstick has marks for minimum level and maximum hot and cold levels. Add the correct grade of fluid as necessary. Check the level again, then securely refit the filler cap. The Screenwash reservoir filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Open the cap and add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water. Close the cap. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.